Good afternoon, my dear sisters and brothers. And I wish to welcome all of you to the Manila Cathedral, especially our dear pilgrims doing their pilgrimage this Lenten journey. Maligayang pagdating po sa inyo sa ating pong inang simbahan. We've heard how water was a necessary element to the stories or to the experiences of our readings today. The angel brought the prophet Ezekiel to the entrance of this temple for him to see how the water, which is no simple water, but a water coming down from the temple or the threshold of the temple, from the side of the temple, if I may be particular, something that is holy, something that is quite significant in their life. And what happened when the water flowed, the water flowed? The age or the range of the water was too high that it intended, yes, not the destruction of the place, but it was an element of giving life. Nagkaroon ng buhay ang mga puno, nagkaroon ng mga isda, nagkaroon ng tubig ang mga nasa paligid. It intends to give life. And on the one hand, Jesus encountered a man who was ill for 38 years. And once more hears the water from the pool of Bethesda. Ang daming mga tao, ang daming umaasa sa tubig na iyon para sila ay mahilom din. The water flowed out once more. But this man need not that water to experience or to have the flowing of waters be experienced. Jesus was there once more as his water. Healing flowed out. Cleanliness was flowed out. Faith flowed out for this man. And we see how the water flowed out as a sign of life and as a sign of healing. And it would keep flowing out, most especially for those who need it. In this season of Lent, my dear sisters and brothers, let us imbibe that very action of the water who keeps on flowing out, so that those who would need the healing may experience the flow of healing in their lives. Those who would need the help may experience the flow of your generosity. Those who would need joy would need the flow of your happiness and our enthusiasm every day. At huwag tayong umambaga sa pagpapatigil ng mga bagay na ito. Let it flow. Let love, let healing flow. Let life flow. Do not let it stop. Huwag po nating hayaan ang sarili nating maging ambasador ng pagpapatigil ng mga kagandahan ng ating loob, ng kabutihan ng ating mga puso. Pero dahil tayo din ay mga tubig na umaagos, let it flow. Let your love flow. Let your kindness flow. Let your faith flow. Let us not be principles of things that would stop every point of goodness in this life. But let us be ambassadors of flowing goodness in this world. Hayaan po nating magpadaloy at umagos sa ating buhay ang kabutihan at kagandahang loob natin. Huwag nating tigilan ito. Hayaan ho natin itong magpatuloy at magpadaloy sa ikagaganda at ikagiginhawa ng buhay ng bawat isa.